Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, this reading is to find out what is your person thinking about you, okay? So this is all about current feelings in the month of August. So we will see what are the energies as far as your love life is concerned. What is your person thinking towards you? So as usual, I have kept two piles here. This is for group number 1, this is for group number 2. You can choose any one of them. Follow your intuition, follow your heart. Whichever pile you get drawn to, you will find your message there. Before going further, guys, keep in mind that these are general readings. It will resonate to most of you, not all of you. So take whatever resonates and leave the rest. If you want a personal reading, you can always get in touch with me to know the current feelings of your partner, and all other details are mentioned below in the description box, okay? So I will give you a minute, guys. You can go forward and choose your pile. All right. Okay guys, I hope you guys have chosen your pile. I'll proceed further with group number 1. Timestamps I have mentioned below. I'll meet you in your reading, group number 2, okay? So let me see, what do we have in store for group number 1? What is your person thinking about you? So the first 3 cards, Hermit, 8 of Cups and the Emperor. Like this just popped, so I think I should take it. Your person is in this hermit mode. This is somebody who is introspecting, like they don't know the way forward. This person is thinking of what went wrong in this connection, how can they make it better, what would have they done to make it better when you were with this person. This person is kind of moving on, like they feel there's nothing left in this connection with you, and this is their feeling. They are very sad, like they are moving on, but then this person is very sad. Maybe they have left you already, okay? Some of you, maybe you are in separation, so this person is sad. They are mourning over this loss of connection. They feel that they had a divine connection with you and they just lost it. This could be because of their ego. I see an Emperor energy. This is somebody who is at a very authoritative position, somebody who is controlling, somebody who wants things his way or her way. So this is somebody who has ego issues also, like this is maybe they have ruined this connection because of their ego. This is somebody who would not come and talk to you, but would go to some other people and talk to them. This is somebody who will make you feel left out. This is somebody who won't invest in you, but invest in people around them, okay? This is somebody who would, I don't know, I'm seeing a toxic energy attached. Like this person is somebody who has love for you, but this is somebody who won't start the conversation without you running after them, okay? This is somebody who wants you to chase them. This is somebody, this is somebody who will make you feel left out, like they should be investing in this connection, but then they won't, okay? This is somebody who will go and talk to other people and yet expect you to be loyal to this person, okay? This is the Emperor energy. But whatever has happened, this person feels guilty. They have definitely done things that they are not very proud of, okay? With the Hermit energy, they don't know. This person is thinking they may have moved on in life, or they are thinking of moving on, but they don't know. It's like they're thinking a lot. Some of you, maybe there is this age gap, because I have the Hermit with Emperor. Both the energies are like someone who is senior to you, so maybe there could be an age gap. Maybe you are younger or this person is elder to you, I don't know, could be some age gap. Okay, so let's see what do we have in store. We'll see what else are they thinking about you. What else? Okay, see, now we have the King of Cups, 5 of Wands and 4 of Swords reverse. Now this is telling me that this person has love for you. This person wants to work on this connection. They may have left you, but then they are not happy. They are having sleepless nights. They are overthinking. This person just doesn't know the way forward. Maybe this person has had health issues in the past. Now they are recovering. Okay, this is somebody who is recovering. This person wants to make things right. They feel that with the 5 of Wands in reverse, they want to resolve. Like, I feel that this person wants to come towards you. Like, they want reconciliation with you, but then this is because of their ego or because of the pride. They don't want to. They have the desire to work on this connection, but they don't know how and when. All right, so that is one. Whatever it is, guys, I feel that this person is not happy without you. They are suffering in silence. They may not tell the people around them, but then they are suffering in silence. This person is not sleeping well. They are overthinking about you. Okay, so this is that. Now let's see what will be their next action. Okay, Sun in reverse. This person fears that maybe this person has been hiding things from you which has come to light. Maybe you have got to know some things about this person and this person doesn't want you to know. Like, maybe you have got to know, you have got some clarity over this person, and this person doesn't want you to know whatever they have been hiding from you. With the Sun in reverse, this is like things have come to light or is almost coming to light, but then they don't want it to. Like, they want to hide things and they're fearing. They don't want you to know everything about them. Okay, so this is also what's bothering them. This person is guilty for what they did to you. Okay, so they have love, I won't say, you know, because this person is coming across as a King of Cups. This is somebody who has genuine love for you. They love you truly. Like, this person could love you as a mother, a father. With the Emperor energy, they may love you as a father, mother, whatever it is. But they don't know, but they know that they have goofed up. Okay, and I also see that this person at times, they feel that maybe you are stuck somewhere else. Okay, some of you could be stuck in some other connections and they want you to come out of that connection so that they can come forward. All right, but I don't know, as of now things are very complicated. Okay, as of now things are very complicated to an extent where they are moving on. It's like this person is moving on, and also because they don't want to take the initiative. They have a desire. Okay, they have a desire, but they don't want to because of the pride. I mean, I don't know, I feel that this relationship is getting spoiled because of ego. I don't know, for most of you I feel that this is this person, ego issues. Maybe you both are dominating in some cases. That could also be the thing. Okay, now what was the problem? We'll see the problem. What was the problem here? Problem is Page of Pentacles. One of you is immature. Okay, so this person feels that either you are immature or maybe they are immature. Could be that you're dealing with somebody who may be elder to you, but still they have a childlike nature, or this could be vice versa also in some cases, because it's a general reading. They feel that you are immature. Commitment could also be the thing. Maybe one of you is not ready to give the commitment. That could also be the thing. Okay, which may have spoiled this connection. Maybe you were not available when they wanted to, or they were not available when you wanted to. That could also be the thing. All right, we will see your energies and then I'll sum it up. We'll see your energies. We will see your energy. Okay, so as far as you are concerned, you feel things are over. Okay, you feel things are over, and it's like you're falling out of love. I don't see that. See, you want to work on this connection, but maybe you are overloaded with your family responsibilities. Some of you, I feel that you have a lot of responsibilities on your shoulders, like could be family responsibilities at work, whatever it is, you are overloaded with responsibilities around you, and you're focusing on that. You want to work on this connection, but then you feel that things are just not the same as it was. Alright, let me see. I have two more cards here, the World and High Priestess. I also feel that you feel that there are many secrets that this person has been hiding from you with the High Priestess and World, and which is why you want to end things and move forward. I literally feel that some of you, you are ready to move forward in life. You want a new love. You want this is somebody who is wanting to start a new chapter, like you want to start a new chapter. Maybe you have found somebody already, okay, so you want to start a new chapter, but maybe you are not connecting with this person. You may have met somebody new, but you are not connecting with this person on a soul level. So which is why you are in this energy where you are still wanting to work on this connection, okay, with this person. I don't know, I feel that this is a divine connection, okay, this is a divine connection, but this is all getting spoiled because of ego. All right, so let me see, bottom of the deck. See, maybe this person has hurt you, Five of Swords. You, like when you were with them, they didn't treat you right. This is somebody who may have ignored you for other people. This is somebody who may be investing a lot of time and efforts on somebody else over you, and that is why you may have ended this connection. You felt that this person is ignoring you. You felt that this person takes you for granted. You felt that this person is somebody who is not reliable, like you don't really trust this person, okay. That is something I see. See, you feel that you have invested so much, but you did not get anything in return. You feel that you literally love this person a lot, okay, but you feel that this person hurts you. This person may have said some things to you that may have hurt you or destroyed you internally, okay. With the Seven of Pentacles and a Five of Swords energy, somebody who hurts other people, okay. This is somebody who will hurt you, but at the same time will go forward and please other people, okay. This is that person who will hurt you on your face, who will not give you time, who will not call you, who will not message you, will ignore your calls, but will invest that time, that efforts on somebody else. So I think some of you, you have made up your mind to move on, like you know, you are almost on a verge of taking a decision. With the World card, I feel that you are moving on, okay. Some of you, you may have met somebody already. You have an option. I do see you have an option. So it's just that you are not connecting with this person on a soul level, okay. So maybe but I still see you having the desire to work on this connection. Like I see that you're not happy without this person either, okay. Let me be honest, you have love for this person, you want this person, but you don't see that equal give and take in this connection, which is why you have come to this point where you have immense love, but in spite of that you are kind of moving on, or you are kind of drifting away, okay. So yeah, so we'll see what's next. Let's see what's next in this connection. We'll see what's next. Okay, see, I've got so many cards together, so I will read all of them as it is, okay. The first is Ace of Swords, the Chariot, Five of Pentacles, Two of Swords, and Empress. See, this is somebody who wants a fresh new beginning with you, okay. Some of you, you're being asked to compromise. This is somebody like you're being asked to compromise and work on this connection, okay, because this is a divine connection. You feel ignored, but I don't see you making a decision so early. See, I see you in this place of Two of Swords and Five of Pentacles. You feel that you feel ignored, you feel hurt, you don't see any forward movement, okay. So this is not the right energy that you should be in. Some of you, I think you're focusing on your own self. Maybe you're trying to focus on career. This is the Empress energy, like you know your worth, and you have come it's like you're trying to level up to your own self, like you're trying to be true to your own self. You know what you're worth. So you don't want to settle for anything less. This is that energy, okay? Empress or emperor is that energy where you don't want to settle for less. Like you are, it's like you may give this person a chance, okay, if this person comes back, but I don't see you investing enough as much as you used to in this connection, okay? This is that. I think some of you have to make a decision, like there is a decision that's pending at your end with the Two of Swords. Maybe you are stuck with a karmic, that could also be the thing. Some of you are involved in a marriage or with a karmic partner, and you may have to walk out of that connection. Okay, so this is a decision that's pending, like you may have to walk out of a karmic, or you may have to walk out of a marriage, okay, that's not serving you. So I think yeah, so the focus is you yourself at this moment, okay? So as far as the sun signs are concerned, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Aries, this could be a Leo, this could be a Virgo, and Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Taurus. Yeah, these sun signs, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, these sun signs are prominent, okay? So let me see what love messages do we have, like what does this person think about you, okay? We'll see how do they feel for you and what is it that they want to tell you. So we will pull some love messages. I tried calling you many times. Maybe this person tried to reach out, okay? Maybe you are trying to ignore this person. This person tried to call you many times, or they will, okay? If they haven't already, I see that this person wants to call you. The second is, I wish I can show you what pain am I going through. See, this person is in immense pain. I told you with the Four of Swords, they are having sleepless nights. They're feeling guilty of what they lost. Okay, this person really feels guilty. I pity this person because this person is going through a lot, but they may not show it. Okay. So I tried calling you. Yes, for some of you, this person has already tried calling you. Maybe you're not answering, or maybe you're not ready. You're trying to ignore this person. And for the others of you, if they haven't already, they are going to call you soon. Okay. I'm afraid of rejection. This is somebody who is afraid of rejection. They feel, what if they come forward and you reject them? This is somebody who's afraid of rejection. Okay. So that is also one thing. They feel maybe you've moved on in life. Okay, so maybe this person fears rejection. That is also one thing. So what else do we have for you? Okay, one last message. I bury myself in work to forget you. See, this person is somebody who is trying to divert their mind by focusing on work. This person is trying to divert their mind by focusing on work. All right. So yeah. So that was that, group number 1. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. Okay, so thank you so much, you guys. You take care, be safe. I'll proceed further to group number 2. Alright, so see you soon. You guys take care. Bye. Welcome, group number 2. Let's see what do we have in store for you. This is for my group number 2. We will see what do we have in store for you. This is for my group number 2. Okay, the first card is Judgment. Okay, the second card, I think these two came side by side. I'll take it as it is. So Wheel of Fortune and Nine of Swords. Group number 2, I feel that, okay, this just fell off, so I'll take as it is. 10 of Pentacles. Your person is somebody who is literally praying to God to have you back in their life. Okay, this is somebody who is seeking guidance from universe. This person is, what have you done to them? I cannot even express it in words. Okay, this person is, maybe this person is in depression for some of you. Like your person is constantly thinking about you, they don't know the way forward. This person has been praying to God to have you back in their life. This is what I feel. This person feels that maybe they have lost you, they have surrendered to universe. This person feels that maybe you are not there in their destiny. That is also one thing. This person is somebody who is still wishing to have you back. See, they want to marry you. 10 of Pentacles is marriage. They want you back, they want you by their side. Okay, group number 2, this is somebody who has love for you, immense love for you. Let's see what are their energies. I think this wants to come. Oh my God, reconciliation. See, you guys are going to come back together. With the 4 of Wands energy, I see reconciliation. So I think this is a divinely guided connection. Maybe this person is confused, but I see reconciliation. Like you both are going to come back together very soon. Okay, maybe if you're not talking to each other, things will get better. For the others of you, if you're still together and there is this distance that has come between both of you, I think things getting resolved. With the Wheel of Fortune, I feel that universe is by your side. With the Judgment and Wheel of Fortune side by side, I feel universe is by your side. It's like whatever you wish will happen. The ball is going to be in your court. Okay, so Judgment and Wheel of Fortune says that things will happen as per your wish. It's like you manifest this person will be, if you want this person will come back to you. If you don't want, universe will pull them away from you. Okay, so this is entirely in your hands, group number 2. Okay, but I don't know, I strongly feel that you guys are going to come back together. Okay, so you don't worry, this person is not going anywhere. With the 10 of Pentacles and 4 of Wands, they are coming back to you. All right, so let's see what else do we have for you. Hermit. Oh my God, this had come for group number 1 also. Okay, King of Swords, Page of Swords. This is somebody who doesn't know how, like they want you but they don't know how to make amends with you. This is somebody who is angry. Like this person could be angry on you, or maybe you may have distanced yourself from this person and you are not calling them. This person sees you doing good without them. This person feels that you're very happy without them. Okay, with the King of Swords and Hermit, this person is angry on you. I see anger, like they want you but then they are equally angry on you. They feel that how can my person move on from me so early. Okay, this is what they feel. With the Page of Swords, this person is spying on you. They are keeping a close watch on you. This person could be stalking you. Maybe they are following you outside your house, or this person is stalking you. Okay, heavy spying is on with the Page of Swords. It's like they want every information about you. This person keeps tabs on you. They are trying to listen to your conversation, phone conversation, or this could be that you go out with your friends, this person is following you. You go to office, this person is following you. Page of Swords is somebody who wants to know everything about you in detail. Okay, maybe you're dealing with a Cancer, Scorpio, sorry, not Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you feel that you're dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Libra, this could be a Libra, this could be a Virgo, because we have the Virgo energy. Wheel of Fortune is Gemini, so Gemini, Libra, Aquarius strongly. So this is somebody who wants to know everything about you, but they don't want to crack a conversation. They want to do things secretively. Okay, this is somebody who lacks the courage to come forward and talk. This person is somebody who will do everything behind the scenes. Okay, they don't have the guts or courage to come forward and talk to you, and they would do everything behind the scenes. Okay, that is what I see here. Now we'll see what's your energy, group number 2. We'll see how do you feel towards this person. What are your feelings towards this person? Please give me a message. We'll see. Okay, see, with the 3 of Wands, I think you have made up your mind to move on. Okay, you don't want to invest on I don't see you investing on this connection or on this person, because you feel that this person is emotionally unavailable. You feel that this person doesn't invest. Okay, so you are kind of moving on. Some of you, maybe you are trying to explore some other options, or you're waiting for somebody new in your life. We have the Wheel of Fortune also. Maybe you're waiting for somebody else. You feel that this is not the one for you and you're kind of moving on. Okay, so that is one. Let's see what else. Yeah, Ace of Swords in reverse and Four of Cups and Ten of Wands. See, this clearly tells me that some of you are not willing to compromise. You are in this place where you feel that the compatibility is missing between both of you. That is one. Number two is, like, you're still waiting for this person. Like, I feel that if this person comes forward, like, I know that you're trying to move on, you're trying to explore some other options. Maybe you have met somebody new, you're trying to talk and know that person, but I still feel with the Four of Cups in reverse and Ten of Wands, I still feel that you're willing to work on this connection. Okay, I still feel that if this this is your energy, Four of Cups, it's like, if this person comes forward and if this person offers you commitment, marriage, or whatever it is, I see that you will work on this connection. See, there are 10 wands here and there are 2 roses here. I still see you working on this connection. Okay, like, deep inside you're waiting for this person. Like, you may be acting as if you don't want them, you may be showing them that you don't really care for them, but I still see you waiting for this person. I still see that you are willing to put efforts given a chance. You may give this person one more chance. That is what I feel. So that is why I see Four of Wands and Ten of Pentacles. I see reconciliation. Some of you are dealing with your twin flame. Okay, this is a twin flame, a soulmate, a strong connection. Maybe you have met this person after having some failed relationships in the past, and you feel that you don't connect this way with somebody else. Like, this is somebody who has taken your soul. Like, this is that kind of energy where you feel that this is the one for you. Like, you've never felt this before with somebody else. Okay, this is that connection. Whatever it is, guys, I feel that this is your person is somebody who is angry at this moment, but they are still wishing to have you back. This person is praying to have you back. Okay, they are doing a lot of prayers. They have this ego. They don't want to come forward and show you that they love you, but they are keeping close tabs on you. With the Page of Swords, King of Swords, Hermit energy, this person is keeping a constant check on you. You may not know it, but this person is doing all that. Alright, so that is okay. See, the Devil energy, this person is attached to you. This is in reverse, over attached. You could be dealing with somebody who is very possessive about you, over attached. I don't know, I see that this is a strong connection. Okay, maybe some of you're dealing with somebody who has some addictions. I do see addictions. This could be alcohol addictions, this could be any addiction. Maybe they smoke, or this could be that this person is silently trying to get rid of some addictions. Maybe they have started drinking a lot of lately. You're dealing with somebody who drinks a lot. Okay, or they have started drinking a lot of lately because of the separation between both of you. Okay, so that is one thing. Bottom of the energy, the World. See, this has come for group number 1 also. So a fresh new beginning with Two of Swords, Knight of Cups, and see, I think some of you have been manifesting this person. Like, as I said, you want to move on, but you still will give this person a chance if they come back. Okay, so with the world and two of swords, you're confused, you don't know what to do, like whether to move forward in life or whether to wait for this person. You are in this energy where what to do, you are stuck somewhere. Group number 2, you are stuck in a situation, you don't know whether to leave this person and move forward towards a new future, a new person, or whether to wait for this person. I see you seeking clarity, you could be seeking guidance from God, and this is mutual. Your person is also doing the same. This person has been praying to have you back in their life. Okay, this is the world. So let's see what love messages do we have. We will see if we have any message for you, group number 2. Yeah, the first card is I don't have to prove anything to you. See, this is somebody, your person feels that they don't want to prove anything to you. It's like they know that you know things. Okay, for some of you I feel that they know that you know things, but they don't want to prove. It's like when they come towards you, they don't want to prove whatever mistakes they did, or maybe they have some things that they are not very proud of, or whatever it is, but this person feels, I don't know, I see an energy where they don't really care. Okay, this person is like, you think whatever you think, this is how I am. Okay, so they don't want to prove anything to you for whatever they did in the past with you. All right, I said this person is angry on you. See, we have the King of Swords with Hermit. I see somebody who is very angry, like maybe they feel that now this is their thought. I said some of you, you're dealing with somebody who is very dominating. This has come in both the readings. I don't know. Yeah. What else for my group number 2? We'll see what do we have for my group number 2. Okay, I've got 2 messages together. This is, oh my god, this is your soulmate. Look, didn't I say you're dealing with your twin flame, group number 2? This is your soulmate. You're definitely dealing with your soulmate, which is why this connection is so strong. It's like you want to move on, but you can't. You're stuck to this person because this is your second half. This is somebody who is made for you. Now that's your choice. Sometimes, you know, God does give you a chance. God will send your soulmate to you, but if you reject, this person is gone forever. Okay, and you won't find this connection with anybody else in the future. This is that kind of a reading. This is, I don't know, I still feel, see, celebration. So you are going to come back to each other. This is a divine connection. I don't see that this person will leave you so early, group number 2. This person is going to put efforts on you, but then they don't really care of how you think about them. Maybe you're angry on them, but then this person doesn't really care. This person is like, I don't have to prove anything to you. You think whatever you want to. They're okay with it, okay? But they have love for you. This person genuinely has love for you. So maybe you're dealing with somebody who is stubborn. Like, you know, there are some people who are stubborn on the exterior, but internally they have a lot of love for you. They may come across as egoistic, or somebody who is very stubborn, somebody who gets angry fast, somebody who is very controlling, but on the inside they have a lot of love for you. Okay, so celebrations, 10 of Pentacles and 4 of Wands. It's a reunion, like reconciliation. So I think things will get better between both of you. Okay, and okay, just a sec, let me pull some messages for you. We'll see what does your person think for you, what do they feel for you. Okay, the first message that I got is, I don't react when people mention you. Okay, so maybe there are many people involved between you and this person. So maybe people talk about you and they don't really react. Okay, it's like they show as if they can't show that they love you, something like this, okay? Because this person feels that they act as if it doesn't matter to them when people discuss about you. That is one thing. We'll see one more message for you, group number 2. Let's see what's your person thinking about you. Any love messages for you? Yeah. Yeah, I think I've got one. I'm busy these days. Okay, this person has been keeping busy off lately. Maybe they are working a lot. Okay, this person is busy. And what else? Yeah, I will take care of you for your entire life, even if you're not with me. This person has immense love for you. This person says that they will take care of you for your entire life, even if you're not with this person. Okay, so these are their feelings towards you, group number 2. All right. As far as the sun signs are concerned, you could be dealing with a Libra, you could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, you could be dealing with a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or this could be a Virgo, because these sun signs are prominent. See, sun signs could be any, but these sun signs are prominent. Okay, so that was that, group number 2. I really hope this helps and resonates, and if this does, I would request you to please like, share, subscribe, and do let me know how did this resonate. And thank you so much. You guys take care, be safe, bye.